is Ishan, and from the last few days, I'm guiding students for the group discussion. And now, this is the third video on our playlist How to Ace Group Discussion in MBA interviews and for the job. So, today in this video, we'll talk about how you can start a group discussion and take the first mover advantage and stand out in a group discussion. So, we will thoroughly work on that. I'll provide you the sample script and do and don'ts and everything about the group discussion. So you can subscribe this channel for more such videos. Let's move towards the screen and check out.
So we are at the screen right now. So first of all, for any group discussion or for introducing any topic, you need to understand the topic. How you can understand the topic? Listen carefully to the topic, take a moment to structure your thoughts, identify the key points and the keywords before you start speaking. Okay? Now, be confident enough, maintain a good posture and eye contact, speak with clarity and avoid hesitation. Confidence make a strong first impression, guys. Now, now comes to introduction. Introduce the topic clearly. Start with a brief introduction about the topic. Keep it concise and neutral. For example, today we are discussing AI's impact on jobs in India. Okay. Now, state your perspective. It is very important to state your perspective. So, how you can do that? Share your opinion clearly. Okay. Support your answer with views, logical reasoning, facts and figures and all. How? By taking example, I'll let you know how you can state your perspective. Okay. So, AI will create new jobs, but it will also require a shift in skills. How? What are the impact it is giving on others? It is like AI will definitely create new jobs, but you need to upskill yourself or reskill yourself. Okay. Now moving towards the fifth point, which is provide a structure. Okay. Outline your key discussion points. Like I will discuss the sectors AI will impact, the risk, the skills in demand. Okay. So this is how you are providing a structure for your group discussion. Okay. Now what you can do is encourage participation. You can invite others to share their opinions, which will be showing your leadership qualities. Okay, so how you can do that? For example, I'd love to hear others view on this. Over to you. Okay, so this is how you can encourage participation. Now, so moving towards the last slide, which is sample GD opening script. But before that, guys, if you want to practice real GD, so you can join our practice session at 29 rupees only, where you will be participating in GD with the other MBA aspirants who are having the call from top IIMs, from other colleges like V School and IBMs and all that. So now let's start. Good morning everyone. My name is Ishan and I'm glad to initiate the discussion on AI in technology. AI is transforming every aspect of our lives, from automating tasks to revolutionizing the industries like healthcare, finance, and transportations. In my opinion, AI has both immense potential and challenges. On the other hand, it enhances efficiency and innovation, but on the other hand, it raises ethical concerns like data privacy issues and risk of job displacement. To structure the discussion, I'll first highlight AI's impact on various industries, followed by its pros and cons, finally discussing how we can adapt to this technological shift. Now, I invite all of you to share your thoughts on this fascinating topic. So this is how you can sample your GD script. So here's a bonus tip for you all. What you can do, you can download this PDF from my Telegram group. I'll share the link with you all over there, and then you can copy this structure and put it on your chat GPT and give a prompt like transform this into a easy English or according to your spoken English, and then you can frame the structure according to your words and all that, and practice it more and more. Okay, for any kind of problem or you want to discuss anything with me, you can connect to me over Telegram or comment down in this video. So if you like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. All the best.